Hello, several days ago, Andrej Karpathy has published his genius Python code MicroGPT. Only 200 lines of code. But what's interesting, it's work somewhat slowly for me. So I decide, let's run it. I decide to speed up development for more comfortable experiments. Doing so, I just make the C language project and remove Autograd from it. We can launch it as follows. We can build and we can run. It's not a good view here, so it's better to launch it here. Here we have the text file with names and the program itself. It occupies only about 17,000 bytes. Not so big, so let's try to launch it. That's all. Here we put 3,000 of steps and it's work very quickly. What we have here? First we have names, and after that we have our begin of sequence code 26 on both sides, on begin and on the end of each name. So we have here 6 samples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and limited symbols. So this corresponds of every symbol has its own code. For example, 0 has letter A, and U corresponds to code of 20, and so on. D corresponds 3, and so on. When we get our results, we can see here that first letter is position number 0, and here we have 0.5. Other positions have less numbers. So the first letter will be A. Next number of position is 11. So we can here at 11 we have 0.5. So it's corresponds letter L. So the second letter will be L. The third line is with index 0, and here we have 0.2. it corresponds letter A. So the third letter is A. And so on. Index 13 corresponds have a value of 0.9 corresponds letter N. So our letter is here, and so on. What we can say, it's works very fast. 3,000 of lines just in less than 1 second. It's working on Raspberry 5, and as well we can try to launch it on Arduino Uno Q. Let's try to do something with it. Okay, what is disconnected? Okay, connected. Let's try to build or even run. Okay, it works, and but is not white screen. So we try to launch it on the another substance. Here we have again our text file entry program with the same size, so we can launch it. Okay, it's gave us the same results as here, and very fast, I think. The name is Elia, Jaria, Elish, and Kyria in the random order, and so on. So it's work on Arduino Uno Q. It's by now it's just a learning example for getting started with big language, maybe small language models, just because when we understand its conceptions, we can then work not just with letter, but with words, maybe sounds, or some else stuff. So that's all for a while. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.